Hi, everybody. This is Marlene, and I want to welcome you to our new online class format. I'm excited to see everybody online. I want to take a few minutes and just give you a quick rundown on where to find everything so that you can set yourself up for success. Our course will now run Monday through Sunday each week. So every Monday, you need to log on our course homepage. So when you log on here, you will see each week's announcement. It's really important to read through this entire announcement so that you know what's coming that week, what's going on, any additional instructional information. So read through the entire announcement. There'll be some content there as well as a to-do list each week, and that's where you want to start. Next, you want to click on the Content tab. Under the Content tab, you will see here that I have everything now divided into modules by the week for the rest of the semester. So this first week back after break, we'll click on the week 9 module, and you'll see here at the top of the module, there's a to-do list. So same to-do list that's on the home page. And this will let you know everything that's due this week. So for example, this first week back, we're going to do a discussion around chapter 8. Your discussion responses are due, as well as essay number 2 is due by Sunday. So click back here along the top and get back into week 9 here. Below the to-do list, you'll see the weekly discussion. Each week we'll have a discussion question that'll give you some detailed directions. Your initial response is due by the end of the day on Tuesday each week, and then 2 peer or classmate responses are due by Sunday. So there's specific directions here for your individual response, and then as you go to respond to your classmates, you want to make sure that you're following these directions. You can respond to the discussion question just by clicking on the link right within the module. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that you can go down and you can go ahead and post your response once it is open. And so click back there. I think everybody should know how to use the discussion since we've used it before, but please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. As we continue to scroll down, any assignments or quizzes that are due will also be in the weekly module, and you can click on the link there and that'll take you to the assignment submission folder or to the quiz. You're welcome to go into the content and see what's coming up. Make sure that you read the entire syllabus, which the revised syllabus is right here, as well as on the announcement page, so that you understand how the course is going to be different. There's a couple of things that are a little different because we had a couple of in-class assignments that we can no longer do. Everything that's changed in the syllabus is highlighted in green. So for example, if you need to reach me, send me an email. We can set up a time to talk via phone, or we can communicate via email. I'll also post periodic videos in the course with updates and instructional content just to let you know where we're headed and what's going on. So you see here's information that's new about discussion posts. Here's how discussion posts are graded, so you can read through all of that. I've added in 3 reflective journals, so this is different. And these reflections are going to take the place of some of the in-class content that we would have done. The reflections combined with the discussion questions will take the place of that. And so you can see here that the attendance and participation is a little bit different. The journals are there, the discussions are there, and here's really, I've highlighted in green everything that's different in terms of your grade breakdown. So you want to read through all of this carefully. Let me know if you have any questions. The final exam will be in D2L. And then here is our course calendar. So this is important as well because we've now changed the course calendar to a weekly format. And so it will be the same consistent format each week where you have your initial discussion post due by Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. and then 2 classmate responses due by Sunday. So that's a little bit about the syllabus. Make sure that you read it all. If you can print it out, I would encourage you to do that. So we talked about the content tab. You can see down here as well, if you're curious to look ahead and see what these reflective journals are about, you can click on that and that assignment's in there. And we'll talk more about that as it gets closer, those assignments get closer to being due. If you'd like to see a list of all the discussions, you can click here. I did put one discussion in here for over spring break, fun ways to spend break. What are you doing? as well as our graded discussions down here. And so if you wanted to look ahead, the discussions are only open for the week that that we are addressing that topic. So you see here, our first discussion after break closes on Sunday, April 5th. So discussion questions cannot be handed in late. Once that discussion closes, the question can no longer be submitted. Here's some guidelines about discussions up here. All right, a couple other things here. The assignment folder here, quizzes are in here, as everybody knows, grades, and of course attendance only for that first half of the class. So back to the course home. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing everybody online.